To be on a doorstep is essential.
Because of the terrain.
It's on the edge of the desert.
High snow-capped peaks, giant glaciated valleys with majestic rivers going through.
And 300-foot elevations pretty much all over the place.
It's super important for us to be local and in the area.
It's important for time.
We have a lot of unique applications, and the team at Weir Minerals will come here on site and review the issues that we're having and talk through different options.
We also have a service centre with mechanical crew.
Customer service is going to get you the spare parts and look up history.
Working with Weir Minerals has been a real partnership. Not a case of us asking for help and waiting for an answer, but them being right there with us.
Time is money, and I know if I've got a problem tonight, Weir Minerals will support me